Right then, listen up, we're talking about Audi today. A name synonymous with German engineering, sleek design, and that undeniable air of sophistication. But before they were gracing driveways of discerning car enthusiasts, Audi's story began, like many great things, in a rather unassuming way. Picture this, 1899 Germany. August Horch, an engineer with ambition hotter than a bratwurst stand, starts a company. He calls it rather unimaginatively, Horch and C. Fast forward a few years, and after a bit of boardroom drama, because what's a good origin story without it, Horch gets the boot from his own company. Undeterred, our man Horch starts another car company. He even has the gall to call it Horch again. You can imagine the original Horch and C weren't best pleased. Lawsuits ensued, names were debated. Finally someone had a brainwave. Horch in Latin translates to Audi, and thus a legend was born. From those early days, Audi went on to become a powerhouse. They merged with three other companies, DKW, Wanderer, and, ironically, Horch, to form Auto Union, symbolized by, you guessed it, those four iconic rings. These rings weren't just a fancy logo, they represented the combined might of four pioneering German carmakers, all united under one banner. And that, my friends, is how a small German startup transformed into the global luxury brand we know and admire today. Let's delve a bit deeper into those early days. The late 19th century was a time of rapid industrialization and innovation in Germany. The streets were filled with horse-drawn carriages, and the idea of a motorized vehicle was still a novelty. August Horch, with his engineering background, was fascinated by the potential of the automobile. He was determined to create something that would revolutionize transportation. His first company, Horch & C, faced numerous challenges. The technology was new, and there were many technical hurdles to overcome. But Horch's passion and determination kept him going. The boardroom drama that led to his departure from Horch & C was a significant setback. But Horch was not one to give up easily. He saw this as an opportunity to start afresh. With renewed vigor, he established his second company. This time, he was more experienced and had a clearer vision of what he wanted to achieve. The legal battle over the name was intense. It was a David versus Goliath scenario, but Horch's ingenuity shone through. The Latin translation to Audi was a masterstroke, giving the brand a unique identity. The new Audi cars quickly gained a reputation for quality and innovation. They were seen as a symbol of progress and modernity. The formation of Auto Union was a strategic move. By combining resources and expertise, the four companies could achieve greater heights. The Four Rings logo became a symbol of unity and strength. Over the decades, Audi continued to innovate and push the boundaries of automotive design and engineering. Each new model built on the legacy of its predecessors, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. Today, Audi stands as a testament to what can be achieved with vision, determination, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. From humble beginnings to automotive royalty, Audi's journey is truly inspiring. And as we look to the future, one thing is certain: Audi will continue to lead the way, setting new standards in the world of luxury automobiles. The story of Audi is far from over. It's an ever-evolving saga of innovation and excellence. So the next time you see those four rings, remember the incredible journey that brought them to life. From humble beginnings to automotive royalty, Audi's legacy is one of passion, perseverance, and unparalleled craftsmanship.